Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone, Offroad's bed stiffeners and Chock system for Toyota's 2005 and newer Tacoma. Step 1. Open your vehicle's bed and begin removing its trail rail forward caps on each side. Insert 2 of the included T-nuts into each rail as shown. Step 2. Your vehicle may or may not have a forward trail rail, but will come with bed bolts in either case and will be used for this installation. If you do have the rail, with a T30 Torx bit, remove the 5 bolts and washers and remove the rail. Step 3. Hold the respective side stiffener up to the front wall and rail and align its bolt holes with the T-nuts. Insert 2 of the included bolts, washers, and lock washers, and with the 19mm socket, secure it to the rail. Line the stiffener up with the front wall holes and secure it with 2 of the factory bolts and washers with the T30 Torx. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 4. If you purchase the longer wheel Chock set, you will need to secure their center with the 5th factory bolt and washer. And you're done.